So in this video, I'm going to talk for a moment about one of the strategies I will typically use to teach newer students how to balance in our handstand position. So if you are a newer student though, you can apply this strategy to your own practice of handstand or your own quest of learning to balance in handstand. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you my strategy, and then afterwards I'll explain the strategy and just go into more detail about why I feel this way and why I feel this is a pretty solid strategy to use. So this one strategy that I want to share with you guys is that learning to balance, go ahead and learn to balance in other poses, other inverted poses that have a much bigger base than handstand. What I mean is handstand, your base is literally just your two hands. So if you're to look at other inverted poses, there are many other ones that actually have a much bigger base, a lot more base or a lot more of your body in contact with the floor. If we were to look at shoulder stand, you have the back of your head in contact with the floor, the backs of your arms, your shoulders, all the way down to your elbows are in touch with the floor. So that base is quite large in comparison to your handstand position. Then go to the headstand position. You have your outer wrists, your outer hands, your forearms, and your elbows all in contact with the floor, as well as the crown of your head. So from shoulder stand to headstand, the base has become a little bit less, but in comparison to the handstand, there's way more of you in contact with the floor, which equals just a more stable pose. Forearm stand, you have your hands, you have your forearms, you have your elbows all in contact with the floor. Your head is not on the floor in a forearm stand. From headstand to forearm stand, you've decreased the base, you decrease the stability a little bit, but it's still a more stable pose than the handstand position is. So that's the main strategy that I'm talking about here is give people, it could be yourself, give people poses that are easier to do, that they can actually do, that will help them build up strength throughout the entire body, which will serve well in your handstand position. So that's about all I have. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. I do all types of different videos. I have a lot to talk about in regards to yoga. If you have any requests though, leave a comment down below. I'll totally read your comment and toss some ideas around. So thank you very much.